Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all know that pulses are superfoods that can nourish our body with sufficient nutrients. But most of us do not make conscious efforts to include them into our diet. So today I'm going to share a very simple yet delicious chickpeas pulao recipe, and I'm going to make this pulao using the chickpeas sourced from USA pulses. So why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chickpeas pulao, I've taken 1 cup of chickpeas. It's a 250 ml cup. Add it to a bowl, pour enough water and soak it for about 8 hours. You can also leave it overnight. So after soaking it for about 8 hours, you can see how the chickpeas have nicely plumped up. Chickpeas are rich in various vitamins and minerals. They are also a wonderful source of dietary fiber. Hence, adding chickpeas regularly to your diet can help regulate digestion and weight management. So next we're going to pressure cook the chickpeas. Transfer the plumped up chickpeas to a pressure cooker. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, a few cloves, a small bay leaf. Pour enough water so the chickpeas are completely immersed. Just give it a quick mix. Close the pressure cooker and let it cook for about 4 whistles on medium flame. Now let's open the pressure cooker. You can see the chickpeas are cooked beautifully. Now when you press it, it's really soft. Now the chickpeas are done. Let's start making the pulao. To a bowl, add 300 grams of long grain basmati rice. Wash it a few times, pour enough water and soak it for about 30 minutes. Take a nice deep pot. Add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm adding all the whole spices. There's bay leaf, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, a teaspoon of fennel seeds and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. So once the spices have released a nice aroma, add the onions. I've taken 2 large onions thinly sliced. Next, add about 5 green chilies slit. Saute the onions till they've turned to a nice golden brown color. Next, add 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger garlic paste and mix that in. Now add about 4 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Make sure the tomatoes are nice and ripe. Saute the tomatoes till they become nice and mushy. So once the tomatoes are becoming mushy, add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoons chana masala powder. Mix everything well. You can see the masalas coming together beautifully. Now add the cooked chickpeas along with the water. Mix everything well till it's all well combined. Chickpeas are rich in protein and hence they keep you full for a longer time. These are also low in glycemic index, which makes them best for diabetics. So these are one of the pulses anyone can happily consume for overall good health. Next, I'm adding a handful of fresh mint leaves. Now add a handful of fresh coriander leaves and mix everything well. You can see how the chana masala is coming together so wonderfully. Now add the soaked basmati rice. Gently mix the rice along with the chana masala. Just take care not to break the rice. So once you've mixed everything well, next add 2 cups of hot water. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. After adding the water, mix everything well. Now close the pot and reduce the flame to a nice medium low and let the rice cook. This is going to take about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see how beautifully the rice is cooked. It looks so delicious and so flavorful. I'm serving this aromatic and flavorful chickpeas pulao with some nice onion raita and some papad by the side. So you can see how quick and easy this pulao recipe is. This will hardly take any time. Just follow all the steps and you'll get this absolutely delicious pulao in minutes. So there you have this delicious and nutrition-rich chickpeas pulao that you can enjoy with some nice raita by the side. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.